Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share a very easy recipe of making pizzas at home, where I'm going to share how to make the pizza dough at home. And believe me, once you make pizzas at home from this fresh dough, you would not go back to those ready-made pizza bases, because your pizzas just taste like those lovely fresh out of the oven restaurant style pizzas. So we'll start with the pizza dough recipe. For homemade pizza dough, you need 3 cups of all-purpose flour or maida, 3 teaspoons of instant dry yeast, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil or your cooking oil, 1 cup plus 1/4 cup of water at room temperature. To start with, take yeast in a bowl and add 1/4 cup of blood warm water, which is room temperature water, and allow this yeast to bloom for about 10 minutes. Add little sugar from the measurement. So we start with putting the salt in the maida. So we put salt in one side. We take 2 teaspoons of salt and put it on one side of the maida. We take the rest of the sugar from the teaspoon and put it in one side. We have this yeast which is blooming, you can see the bubbles, and we put it in the center. I'm putting 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And now I just create a well in the center and pour that 1 cup of water. And I'm saving a little water and swirling it around in the flour. Here goes the rest of the water, and I'll try to work it with my hands gently. So this is how it looks once I have worked in the water. Now I'll bring it on my marble surface. Dust the surface a bit and try to work this dough to make a smooth dough. Just use the heel of your palm. Keep kneading the dough till it becomes non-sticky and smooth. You can use a little dusting of flour, not too much, to keep your hands away from sticking the dough. You can see my dough is getting shinier. This would take about 5 minutes, so be patient, be gentle. And I'm just gonna bring this dough into a nice ball. In my pan, I just drizzle some oil. Place my dough gently. Cover with a wet kitchen towel and leave it in a warm place for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, this is how my dough looks. It's light, it's doubled in size. We will roll out our pizzas now. Dust your workstation nicely with flour. Portion of this dough and nicely work your station with flour, and with very gentle movements roll out pizza base. This should be about a 6-inch base if you're making a pan pizza, and about 8-inch if you're making a thin crust. So this pizza is ready. I'm going to transfer it onto this pizza tray, which you should oil generously. Spread the oil. Gently put your pizza base on the tray and allow it to rest for about 15 minutes. After 10 minutes of resting the pizza, rolled out pizza, we prick the pizza base with forks. This is to prepare your pizza bases in advance. We are baking this pizza base for about 10 to 12 minutes in the oven at 160 degree. So this is when you want to bake the pizza right after your dough is ready. We have sprinkled some oil on the dough, on the rolled out pizza base, and then you gently, without disturbing the air in the base, gently spread the sauce. And I'm just doing a basic margherita with some fresh corn. This goes into the oven at 220 degree for about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how crisp or how charred you want your pizza to be.